Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very simple and delicious recipe for lemonade. It is lectin free and has no sugar in it, and it's really delicious and healthy. So the first thing you want to do is get 2 lemons and wash them. Now I like to zest the lemons first and save the zest for later and use that in pastas and baking and such. You can use a lemon zester or you can use a little cheese grater like I have here. And so now what we're gonna do is we're just going to rub the lemon on the counter like this to really loosen up all those juices. My kids really like to help out on this piece and push down on it, which is really good for their fine motor skills. You wanna go ahead and cut the lemon in half. So you can go ahead and get a bowl and just squeeze the lemon juice into it, or you can get a little juicer like I have and you can just squeeze it. Once you've squeezed all of that lemon juice out, you're going to get a fine mesh strainer like this and a saucepan, and you're going to pour the lemon juice into the pot through the strainer. And then into this pot, we're going to add 3 cups of water and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of a compliant sweetener. So I really like to use this golden monkfruit sweetener, which gives it a nice flavor. And then you're gonna bring the pot to the stove and you're gonna turn the stove on to about medium heat and stir it, and we're just gonna cook it until that sweetener dissolves into it. So see, we just put it on and you can still see the sweetener, so we really want it to dissolve into the liquid here. Okay, so it's been cooking for about 1.5 minutes, and it looks like all of the sweetener has dissolved. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little taste though and see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add another tablespoon of the sweetener. It tastes really good, but I know my kids like it a little less sour. Okay, we'll just stir that and cook it for another minute. So all of the sweetener has completely dissolved, and so I'm gonna turn the heat off. And I've got a jar here and a funnel, and so I'm just gonna pour it into the jar. And then we're gonna cover and refrigerate that. And then after about 3 hours, you can check on it and see if it's cold. And if it is, then you can just pour it in a glass with some ice and enjoy.